Houston is a village in the area of Renfrewshire in the west central lowlands of Scotland. It lies within the Gryfe Valley, 6 miles northwest of Paisley. Houston's historic village centre, located at the northwest edge of the village, is a designated conservation area. The area is home to the main village pubs, small shops and post office. Some remains of the 16th century Houston Castle still exist, largely in the grounds of the current Houston House. The area sits between Houston and Killellan Kirk, the established parish church. Despite its small size, Houston is home to a number of public houses, the River Inn on Houston Road and the Fox and Hounds on South Street. Very popular with the locals and also home to the Houston Brewing Company. There are 2 primary schools in Houston. Houston Primary School with its non-denominational school and nearby St Fillan's, which is a Catholic school. Both of these schools lead to Gryfe High School, which borders Houston and Bridge of Weir. The school has been ranked one of the best performing state schools in Scotland. One of Houston's main activity centres is the Strathgryfe Tennis and Squash Club, which boasts indoor and outdoor tennis courts, indoor squash courts and a gym. Suited for both children and adults, this club is always a hive of activity.
I'm Alan Marshall, I'm president of Strathgryfe Tennis and Squash Club and I've been a member here for probably 12 years. I've been in the village for 15 years. I moved up for a job in Greenock. I picked Houston because it's handy for work, it's also handy for the city. It takes about 20 minutes to get into the city, but it's a nice quiet place, very friendly community with good facilities. Not just this one, but plenty of other facilities as well.
With its stunning countryside views, Houston is only 1.5 miles from Bridge of Weir. Bridge of Weir is a village in the area of Renfrewshire in the west central lowlands of Scotland. Lying within the Gryfe Valley, the village provides a crossing point for nearby Glasgow and Paisley, making it a great commuting village. The village is known for its golf history. The Ranfurly Castle Golf Club is one of 2 existing courses and can be found just off Golf Road in the west of the village. There's a strong sense of community in Bridge of Weir as it plays home to a number of local and independent shops, bars and restaurants, as well as the Bridge Community Centre.
My name's Irene McFarlane and I've lived in Bridge of Weir for over 30 years now. We moved from Kilbarchan, which is just 5 minutes over the hill, and we have never regretted our move. There's a very nice community feel about Bridge of Weir. It has very nice shops, 2 very, very good schools. Both our boys went to the local schools and we have never, they did very well. We have lots of things to do in the village. There's lots of activities for both adults and children. There are also 2 excellent golf courses if you're into golf. And it's also nice that we have a nice community spirit here, but we're also part of a bigger community, I suppose, when we've got Paisley close by and Greenock, both equidistant from Bridge of Weir.
Main Street, which runs through the heart of Bridge of Weir, is where you will find the majority of shops, restaurants and bars. There's a great choice and the village caters for all your needs, from Indian to Italian. The village has a local state primary school situated on Warlick Road, and nearby Houston is home to Gryfe High School. It also has Rivendale Nursery, which is a 2-minute walk down to Houston Road from the state primary school. Houston and Bridge of Weir, brought to you by McEwan Fraser Legal.